Hey folks, Kevin and
They are here. We got a project today.
so it's March 13th, 2024, and it's time to go ahead and get some pots ready for starting some seeds. Often we start our tree seeds in the fall time, but this year with the pawpaw seeds and the shagbark hickory. Yeah, those two varieties, we went ahead and stratified them, having a long cold period. And you put them in the freezer, did you?
Yeah, we also had pig nuts too.
Yep.
And we had hazelnuts.
So these varieties have long tap roots on them. So what we're going to do is we ended up purchasing some tree pots. So I think these ones are 14 inches tall. We got these from Greenhouse Megastore, and we got these little caddies to hold them. So I think each caddy holds about 9, and that's our leaf mulch or compost pile over there. And it's still very wet over there. So what I decided to do was use Mini Me. Took off the grapple from it just a couple of minutes ago, and I just scooped up some of it. So this soil is going to continue to break down. It's still nutrient rich. We'll remove any stones from it as we're doing, or anything that hasn't broken down, and put it back on a new compost pile. And what we're going to do is fill these pots, and then later on we'll go over the whole process of putting the seeds in them as well. So this is just an intro to get you started, where we're going and how we're going to go about it. Using Mini Me here makes it much easier. We can be at waist level height loading all of these pots, and that can be much easier on our backs. So there we go. Okay, well, Thea and I just got done filling up all of the 9 pots per tray for the pawpaws, and for some of the what else are we getting here? Shagbark hickories, and we do have hazelnuts as well. So one of the things I'm going to do tonight, they have a sale at Greenhouse Megastore, so I'll go ahead and order some more of these pots. But that system worked out pretty well, filling the decomposed leaf mulch. And of course it isn't completely decomposed, as you can see here, but it's done pretty well. And we're going to go for a ride down and back now, because it hasn't been down there in a little while. Some of the peach trees are starting to leaf out in here, so we got them by the door now. And there's lots more to do. I've got to help to de-winterize, get the greenhouse cleaned up after the winter. Lots of debris around the perimeters here, get the insulation out, and start getting the pots where we want them and all. So that's about it. You happy with what we got done today, hon?
Very happy. We did a big job. Now we need a rest.
That's right.
Let's go for a ride to Beaver Pond.
Okay, honey. All right, folks. You take care and have a wonderful day.
Take care. Thank you. Bye.